Hi, Jason from Jcknifeworks. This is part 2 of our KMG grinder setup video. Part 1 was just unboxing it, taking a look at it, and now that I've got it out of the box, I've built a small 18 by 24 table to mount it to. Had to drill a couple 3/8 holes for the mounting bolts that you see there. I picked up this plate of 1/4 inch steel from a fabrication shop in my area. Mounted that to the table so it'd be a more rigid mount. I tried mounting the motor on a hinge board to give it a constant tension, and then the idea was just lift up the board and lessen the slack on the pulley and change the belt speed or work on it or do whatever you needed to do. However, that didn't work out too well, so I ended up doing a hard mount to the plate. It's a little bit more of a pain when you need to tension the belt, because it will stretch as it gets broken, but hopefully once it gets past that stretching period I won't have to mess with it too much. I've seen it where they've mounted the motor underneath the table on the hinge system, and that seems to work because you're changing the center of the rotation for the motor, so when you lift it up it does create slack. We're going to try this hard mount to the plate for a while and see how that works, and if it doesn't do good for us, then we'll do something else, but I think it should be fine. I built a tool arm tower to hold the extra accessories. It's just about 3 feet tall, and I just spaced it out about an inch and a half for the tool arms to go in, and put it on an angle like that. Just something simple. It didn't take very long to do. A couple screws. So everything is set up now. We've tested the motor. Everything runs really smoothly. The tracking on this machine is phenomenal. I'd like to show you, but I've moved the motor a little bit. I'm getting ready to take the motor off to paint it, so it's not lined up properly right now. But the next video will be the final video. Everything will be completed and we'll show you a working grinder. Really happy with everything so far from Beaumont. The grinder's been everything that we'd hoped. It tracks really well, and just looking forward to getting the little odds and ends, some proper extension cord for the motor, and some coverings for the wires, and paint up the motor and the stand, and we should be good to go here shortly. So we'll check back in once we've got everything else wrapped up and show you the finished package. Thanks for watching.